to set voice recorder auto backup data to Samsung Cloud in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Cloud and Accounts. Tap Samsung Cloud. Tap More icon. Tap Settings. Tap Auto Backup Settings. Scroll down. Tap voice recorder switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.